Tesla Model 3 Y Sportscar-Style Seat Ventilated Cushion. After unpacking, check if the accessories are complete. The package includes 2 front backrest ventilation sponges, 2 front seat cushions ventilated foam, 2 front backrest leather covers, 2 front seat cushion leather covers, a leather rear seat cushion cover, leather covers for 2 rear seat backs, rear armrest leather covers and 2 headrest leather covers, 2 silver-plated ambient light panels, control box and wiring harness, ventilated front backrest and seat cushions, control panel and wiring harness, tools needed, pry bar, Torx for removing seat screws, flat blade screwdriver, pliers. Step 1. Remove the original car seat. First, use a pry bar to pry open the front side trim panel. Unplug the seat assembly. Unplug the seat belt assembly and unscrew the 4 screws. On the front seat, lift the seat outside and be careful not to scratch it on the door panel. Same operation on the other side. Take off the rear seat cushion and unplug the seat heating plug. Then remove the backrest of the rear row. Remove the headrest and unplug other components. Remove the rear armrest parts. Step 2. Removing original car seat leather cover. Take off the 4 legs of the sedan. Then disassemble the seat leather cover. Remove the airbag and remove the sensor module. Inside the leather case, remove the original leather cover from the rear seat. Remove the headrest and armrest leather covers. Trim off the heating strips on the front seat leather cover, being careful not to cut the heating wire. Step 3. Assemble the ventilated seat cushion. First, attach the ventilation mat to the back of the ventilation mat. Insert the headrest back into the seat and install the backrest foam. Then install the fan bracket on the backrest. Pay attention to the arrow mark on it pointing downwards. Fix it with the matching screws and install the fan. Remove the red hook wire. Trim the backrest heating sheet according to the shape of the backrest and secure it with double-sided tape. Put on the leather case and secure it in place with pliers and matching staples. Install the airbag back to the side. Open the reserved hole in the cushion. Install and fix the original car sensor module. And then install and fix the sensor module of the ventilated seat. The ventilation seat induction module does not need to be fixed. And there is a reserved part space on the back. Connect the extension cord and attach the ventilation mat. Cut the seat cushion heating piece according to the shape of the seat cushion and fix it with double-sided tape. Then peel off the red hook piece of the seat cushion. Wrap the leather cover on the seat cushion. Install the fan bracket under the seat in the direction of the seat arrow. Then install the upper seat cushion to install the fan. Install the silver-plated ambient light with a bracket and fix it with screws from the back. Then install the 2 ambient lights and fix them with tape. Connect the extension cord of the ambient light and the fan and pull it under the seat. Then install the seat back panel and insert it upside down. Install extension pads on the rear seat cushions. If it is a 23 Model Y, it comes with extension pads and does not need to be installed. with double-sided tape. Then put on the leather case and secure with pliers and staples. Install the fan bracket under the seat in the direction of the seat arrow. Then install the upper seat cushion to install the fan. Step 4. Installation and recovery. Reassemble the rear seats in the order of disassembly. Tip 5. Wiring and control panel installation. Remove the armrest box air outlet. Remove the decorative panel. Unscrew the fixing screws and remove the panel. Organize the wiring harness plug into the control box. Then pull the wiring harness from the armrest box to the main driver and co-pilot. Adapt the power plug on the armrest box to the small plug on the air outlet and then restore the panel. After plugging in the seat plug assembly, test whether the original car function is normal and then restore it to its original state.